Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare BMW X6 Diesel vs Petrol, which is better. Focus on real-world driving, costs, and daily comfort so you can choose confidently. Listen for practical tips on fuel economy, servicing, and performance trade-offs. I will highlight where diesel saves money and where petrol feels more refined, plus ownership scenarios that favor one option. Diesel engines give strong low-end torque that benefits towing and relaxed highway cruising, while petrol engines reward spirited driving with quicker throttle response. Consider your driving habits when weighing acceleration, overtakes, and engine character. Test drive both to feel the difference in real traffic, and note transmission tuning impacts performance more than displacement in many cases for the BMW X6 models. Think about annual mileage and fuel price when choosing between diesel and petrol. If you do many long trips, the diesel can save significant money on fuel, but petrol can be cheaper for short daily commutes. Factor in servicing intervals, potential emissions-related costs, and how long you plan to keep the car to determine which option is more practical and economical for your situation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.